American-owned. All non-manufacturing jobs including QC, support, and design employed in the USA. Cat6, Cat5e, supports both Cat6 and Cat5e applications. The RJ45 connector used for this cable fits perfectly in both Cat6 and Cat5e ports. Capability. Mediabridge Cat6 cables can support up to 10 gigabits per second, 10 times the bandwidth of Cat5e cables. Meets or exceeds Category 6 performance in compliance with the TIA, EIA 568b.2 standard. Backwards compatible with any existing fast Ethernet and Gigabit Ethernet. Certified. This Mediabridge Cat6 Ethernet cable complies with TIA, EIA 568b.2 and adheres to ISO IEC 11801. Applications. High bandwidth of up to 550 MHz guarantees high-speed data transfer for server applications, cloud computing, video surveillance and online high-definition video streaming. Construction. 24 Rubin fluorine stranded conductors. Each of the 4 twisted pairs are separated by PE cross-insulation to prevent crosstalk. 8P8 CRJ45 connector with gold-plated contacts. CM-grade PVC jacket with 5.8 mm outer diameter. Free Velcro strap. Includes adjustable reusable Velcro cable strap for easy organization storage. Top reviews from the United States. My third purchase from Mediabridge on cables and again a real bargain on well-designed and high-value product. Check out the quality materials used on this series of Cat6 Ethernet cables for the price, along with Mediabridge's customer feedback versus other cables in this price range. Compares to Ethernet cables found at many retailers at more than double the price found here. Performs exactly as it should and arrives in a well-constructed cardboard container. Highly recommended.